guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessica J. If you guys are new here, welcome. So on this channel, we do home decor videos, DIYs, lifestyle videos. So if that interests you in any way, please subscribe. And to my returning subscribers, hello. How are you? So in today's video, we are doing a shop with me HomeGoods. You guys know I love my HomeGoods. So if you guys want to shop with me at HomeGoods and see what I got, then keep watching. Hi guys, we're back. So I actually got some things, and you know what a world of difference it is going to a HomeGoods early in the morning on a weekend and to your favorite HomeGoods at that. Like, I was just blown away. I had my cart filled with stuff. You guys saw that, and I'm like, you know what? I have nowhere to put this stuff. Let me just put like almost everything back and focus on what I need. And yeah, so this is gonna be an exciting one, you guys. I am so freaking excited about this one. I'm so excited. Okay, let's get started. From the first HomeGoods I want you guys to use, you may need to use your imagination, but you may not, I don't know. I got this vessel right here. I kind of regret not getting the large one, but I need to go to a Trader Joe's soon, so I'm just gonna hope that they have the bigger size at another HomeGoods. But if not, I still love this thing. Now, my plan for this is to spray paint it. You guys will learn on my channel, I'm like the spray paint queen. I spray paint everything. But this thing was perfect. I love the shape of it. I love the handle. I love everything about it. Not so much this, but if this is your vibe, like honestly, I see beauty in like this too, but I just don't think it goes with my house. But this vessel was $19.99. It's super heavy. Like, this thing is heavy. So my plan is to spray paint this and probably put this in my kitchen. Okay, the next thing I got, I'm gonna show you guys this side first because you guys are gonna be like, what the heck, Jessica? All right, look. I got this thing. You guys know this is a total dupe of a RH Decor item. This one was $14.99. And so when I saw it, I saw this side. I'm like, oh, heck to the no. Like, that looks like a flower. I'm not feeling it. But then I turned it around. I'm like, wait a minute. Maybe I can just turn it around. And then that's all y'all gonna see. So my plan for this is I noticed that this one had imperfections on it. It had, you know what, I should have asked for a discount. If you guys see imperfections in your items at HomeGoods, ask for a discount. They will give you a discount. But it looks like concrete peeking through, right? So I was like, let me see how easy it is to wipe off that white paint. And it is really easy. And underneath, it's this like, I don't know what material it is. I don't know if it's actual concrete or what. But my plan is to shave all this off and just have the concrete exposed and then paint everything else black. So all this is gonna be black and this is gonna be concrete. How freaking amazing is this piece? Like, I'm just so happy I found it. I wish it was bigger because I was gonna put it on my sideboard, but it's too small for that area. So I think for now it's gonna go in my room, and then eventually it may go on a mantle when we get started with the fireplace. Okay, so that's everything from that HomeGoods. The next HomeGoods I got, hold up, I just like smashed my finger. Okay, 1, 2, 3 geode crystals. Now, they had 4 of these out. I was actually really surprised that they even had that many. So I did grab 3 out of the 4 because I do have 1 already. And I was thinking about making a geocrystal bowl. I got the idea from Arvin. So this one was $9.99. And then these 2 were $16.99. Such a good price. The lady at the checkout, she was saying that someone had got a massive one before I got there. So if you can't find the big massive ones that you don't want to spend, I don't even know how much these things run, hundreds of dollars, then just throw a bunch of them in a nice concrete bowl, a nice decorative bowl, and call it a day. Okay, next thing I got was this little vase. Now my plan is to mattify this. I bought a mattifying clear spray paint because I like matte black. But I thought this thing was adorable. I think this is gonna go in my kitchen. And this was $9.99. I did post a picture trying out little things in my kitchen, and I'll show you guys a picture of that. Next thing I got is this decorative bowl right here, you guys. This one was $24.99. This is a dupe of a bowl from Pottery Barn, which I think is like $100, and a bowl from CB2, which I think is like 60 bucks. And I've been having my eye on that bowl. I was eventually gonna get it when I had a place for it, but I saw this for $24. I said, you coming home with me, girl. You are coming home with me. So yeah, it's like a matte, flat paint, and it's, I'm guessing ceramic. I don't think it's porcelain. So that was like my favorite thing. My favorite find at Homegoods. Next thing I got was this huge bag of moss. Like, this thing is humongous. I love the color. I love how it's that deep green color. And this one was, let's see, $14.99. This is by a company called Natural Florals. Okay, next thing I got, I told myself I was gonna pick this up next time I saw it because I see it randomly at this HomeGoods, at that HomeGoods, but I want to create a coffee bar moment with one of these. Now, this isn't the exact shape I want, so I'm gonna actually have my husband modernize it. I plan on, I think I might cut these curved edges off and make it just straight, sand it down, make it look a little bit more rustic, and then I may stain it, which I don't know what color I'm gonna stain it yet. All right, last thing. Okay, you guys remember I told you about a mimosa brunch with the girls? So I've been trying to find another set of those same champagne glasses by the SCHOTT ZWIESEL. And they haven't been having it, but this shopping trip, they actually had one set left. You guys know, how beautiful is that? If I can find a link for these, I think Bed Bath & Beyond does have these, but SCHOTT ZWIESEL is a brand sold at Williams-Sonoma, Macy's, Crate & Barrel, but Bed Bath & Beyond does also have this brand, so if I can find it there or another store, I will link all of them down below for you guys if you guys want to pick these up. But I just love these champagne glasses. Like, I'm telling you, I'm ready for a mimosa brunch. I am ready. All right, so that is everything that I got. I finished it before my camera died because it's dying right now. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to leave me comments down below. Which item was your favorite item? Did you enjoy this shopping trip? Please leave comments down below. I love interacting with you guys. I love talking with you. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.